Have you ever wondered why you feel so rejuvenated after a good night's sleep? Or conversely, why a poor night's rest leaves you feeling groggy and unproductive? Hi, I'm Alexis Wadeland, osteopath and co-founder of Blossoming Me and Healthy Learning Lounge. Quality sleep is crucial for our overall well-being, impacting everything from our physical health to our mental clarity. Let's dive into the science of sleep and discover why it's so essential to prioritize it. Sleep isn't just about a passive state where the body shuts down. It's actually an active, complex process that involves cycling through different stages. And these stages can be grouped into two main categories: non-rapid eye movement, NREM, and rapid eye movement, REM. In non-rapid eye movement sleep, there are 3 stages. Stage 1 is the lightest stage. In this stage, it optimally lasts about 5 minutes, and it's the transition between wakefulness and sleep, where you might feel brief muscle twitches as you start to doze off. Stage 2 generally lasts about 10 to 25 minutes in its initial phase, and can extend up to 60 minutes in its later stages, making it about 50% of our total sleep. Our body temperature drops, our heart rate slows, and it's harder for us to wake up from this stage. Stage 3 is known as deep sleep or slow wave sleep, and this stage is crucial for physical restoration. It's during this phase that our body repairs tissues, builds muscle, detoxifies, strengthens our immune system. REM sleep, on the other hand, occurs about 90 minutes after we fall asleep, and it does recur multiple times throughout the night. Each episode tends to last longer than the previous one. During REM sleep, our brain activity actually increases. This is where our vivid dreams will occur. This stage is actually essential for cognitive function like memory consolidation, learning, and emotional regulation. So why quality sleep matters? Can affect our physical health. Deep sleep allows our body to repair tissue, grow muscles, and boost the immune system. This stage is essential for physical recovery, which is why we often need more sleep when we're sick. Quality sleep helps us to maintain our heart health by regulating our blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. During sleep, the body produces growth hormones, which helps to repair tissue and to reduce inflammation, leading to pain relief. It also has cognitive health benefits, such as memory and learning. REM sleep is crucial for processing emotions and consolidating memories, and a lack of REM sleep can lead to difficulty in learning new information and in managing our emotions. Quality sleep also supports our cognitive functions such as problem solving, creativity, and decision making. Poor sleep can impair these abilities, making our daily tasks more challenging. It also has significant emotional well-being effects. Poor sleep can increase the risk of mood disorders such as anxiety and depression. Quality sleep helps to maintain a balanced emotional state, reducing stress and promoting a positive outlook. It has effects on our hormone regulation. Sleep actually regulates hormones that control our appetite, our metabolism, and our stress. Sleep affects how our body processes and stores carbohydrates and fats. Poor sleep will disrupt these processes, leading to weight gain and an increased risk in obesity. Quality sleep helps to regulate hormones that control our hunger and our satiety, like ghrelin and leptin, encouraging us to prevent overeating and allowing us to maintain healthy weight. Deep sleep triggers the release of growth hormone, which is vital for the growth and development in children and helps to build muscle mass and repair cells and tissues in adults. During sleep, the brain clears out toxins and wastes that accumulate during the day, and this process helps cognitive function and to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. It also helps to detoxify our physical body through our digestive system. Sleep ensures that you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. It enhances physical stamina, mental alertness, allowing you to feel more productive throughout the day. Part of the issue with sleep is that dysfunctional sleep often occurs in conjunction with dysfunctions of other body processes, such as complex pain disorders, chronic pain, fatigue issues, hormone imbalances, and much more. Sleep is not often the symptom that people will communicate to their doctor about on its own. And this means that by the time that people actually ask for help, a combination of factors are already at play and that they all negatively impact each other, making untangling this sleep difficulties quite a difficult, complex, and individual process. By focusing on sleep as part of your health journey, it is possible to improve your ability to cope with all of what's going on for you by improving your sleep as you start to recover. This is because a lack of sleep heightens the pain response and fractures our ability to think, make decisions, have patience, and, well, just generally cope. Plus, as sleep is essential for the body to repair damaged tissue and improve body functions, improving sleep is an essential component for recovery from any health issue. Prioritizing quality sleep is one of the best things that you can do for your health. By understanding the sleep cycles and making small adjustments to your routine, you can unlock the benefits of restorative sleep and improve your overall well-being. That's it for now. I really hope that it's created a couple of aha moments for you. Please comment any of those, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you do add those to our comments section. And for more information and some tips on how to improve your sleep, download our Ultimate Sleep Guide. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, in health, bye for now.